Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to delete multiple fields in attribute table. So let's start the tutorial session. Here open a point shape file data, delete multiple fields, its content, multiple field, object ID, name, descriptive type, comment, symbol. Now I want to delete descriptive, comment, symbol, date and time. So let's see how to delete it. At first go to search option, search delete field. Here now we can see delete field option, delete field in data management tool, field or delete field. Here open the delete field search box or window, input table. That means you can input the point shape file data to delete multiple fields. Now you can select all for delete all files. Now you can select all to delete all field or select any field you want to delete. I want to delete just this field, descriptive, comment, symbol, date and time. So now comment, symbol, descriptive, type, date and time. After select all, click OK to run the process. Now process is completed. Now we can see multiple points already deleted. Here also descriptive, type, symbol, comment. Now we can see point already deleted. So in this process we can delete multiple fields. So that's all today's session. Thank you everybody. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment, share also to grow up this channel and motivate me. If you have any query or doubt, feel free to ask me in the comment section box. I am glad to reply your comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.